Hello everyone, welcome to my article demo. I'm going to show you how to create a post in WordPress. So simply what you're going to do first is log into your dashboard, then go to the left side of the screen where you'll find your navigation. Locate post and click on add new. Now you'll be introduced to the add new post screen. This is your title bar. This is where you're going to add your title. So for now, let's just add article demo. Okay. Now for the text, for this purpose, I'm just going to use dummy text. So where I'm going to get that dummy text? I'm going to get it from blindtextgenerator.com. I also left the description. I also left the link in the description below. Alright, so what I want is the standard word for 500 words. I'm just going to add some paragraphs in here. And I'm going to copy. Or you can just hit the select all button right here and hit copy to clipboard. Alright, I'm going to go back to my tab and I'm going to simply paste text by either hitting Control V or right clicking and clicking paste. That's simple. Alright, so now let's format the text a little bit. So let me give you a rundown of the menu. When you first open WordPress for the first time, this menu is going to be collapsed. You want to open it. This is where you can select text and create a paragraph, create different header styles. We have your standard formatting, such as bold, italic, bullet points, number bullet. You can create a block quote. You can left, center, and right align your photo and pictures, as well as text. You can insert links to other websites and even other pages on your existing website. Okay. Strike through, horizontal line, text color, clear formatting. Now this button is needed if, let's say, you copied text from a Word document or any other document and it has certain styles that you don't want to carry over into the WordPress. So you basically paste your text in here and you click on clear formatting. Special characters, you can indent your text, and here's your undo and your redo buttons. And that's basically it. Click on shortcuts and it basically shows you things that you can do to speed up your time instead of having to always click on the buttons. Simple ones is Control B for bold, Control X to cut, and if a lot of people should be familiar with the copy and paste function, which is Control C and Control V. All right. So let's start formatting. So I want to add a photo. Click on Add Media. This is a photo I just uploaded for demo purposes. I'm going to click on Photo. I'm going to give my photo a title, very important, and I'm going to give my photo an alt text. Alt text is very good for SEO, and it helps search engines find your photo, and it boosts your rankings for your article as well. I'm going to keep my alignment as default. You can establish a link to your photo, but for now I'm going to keep it on none. And the size can either be a thumbnail, medium, large, or full size, but I'm going to do large. I'm going to click on Insert Post, as soon as I'm done. All right. So I'm going to make this text. Click and select it, just like that. I'm going to make it italic, just to show you the different styles and how they look. I'm going to turn this text to bold. I'm going to change the color of this text to red. And for this text, let's just add a link. So let's say this text right here. For demo purposes, I'm just going to use Google. Hit this blue button when you're finished, apply. And now you have created your link. Now please ignore the squiggly lines. Squiggly lines just show that this is not American text, that's not recognized. But once we hit preview, you'll see those lines disappear. Okay, so we got a photo. We have different styles, colors. Let's throw in a header tag. Article header 2 tag. Select it. Go back over here and click on heading 2. Now by default, your article title will be H1, heading 1. So you don't need to include another heading 1 tag within the document. Okay? Now let's take a look at all the other features in this post. Now we can simply do a preview of our article if we want by clicking on preview, just to show what everything looks like so far. Have your photo at the top, you have your text formatted the way you want it, you have your article 2 tag, and you have some more text. Now you can also include video, which I'll show you. So let's just go to YouTube. Okay, Oscar 2018 nominations, why not? So simply, to embed a video in a post, scroll down underneath the video and look for the share button. Click on share, click on embed. Now take this link, this entire link, copy it, click on text. I want to place the video at the bottom. I'm going to do Control V, which pastes it. Click back on visual, and there's my video right underneath the text. Let's click on preview to see what that looks like. There you go. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So now let's finalize. You want to create a category. Now the general category a lot of people use is like news or general. So let's just use news for now. Now many articles could fit in the news category. You don't have to create a new category for every new post. Tags are very important for search engine optimization, aka SEO. So now let's just add some keywords. I'm going to call it article tag. Tag article. Article. Now never mind that I'm adding article tag article. This is just for to show you that you can add as many keywords as you want. Specifically, you would want to add keywords that are related to your article. Now, if we were talking about the beach in Jamaica, you would put Jamaica Beach in the tag. If the article's also talking about best traveling advice, you would put traveling advice. You know, if you're talking about selling a product such as beach chairs in your article, you would put advice, tips on selling beach chairs. You know, that's just an example, but I hope you guys get it. And last but not least is set featured image. By clicking on that, we're going to use this photo again, just for demo purposes. It could be any other photo. Your featured image will show up usually as a thumbnail in the preview of an article before you actually click on the read me more button. All right. So let's click on preview. See, for this theme, the featured image goes right on top of the entire article, which still looks pretty cool. And I still have my mini image right here in the article. All right. So there's my link, there's my video, and there's my text. Now, can you change the link color? Yes, you can. Usually the link color that everybody is familiar with is blue. So I'm just going to select my link, go back to the color, and let's put blue. Now let's see if it worked. There you have it. You'll see right beneath the post, you'll see the category, you'll see your tags, and each tag will have its own, as you can see at the bottom left of the screen, it'll have its own unique URL. Usually a lot of people block tags from search engines because it can come up as duplicate content, and some people keep tags. It all depends on how your article is formatted, or should I say how your website is formatted to accept tags. Like, the least duplicate amount of content on your website, the better. You want everything to be unique. And last but not least, click on the publish button. As soon as your article is published, now you have a unique URL for that article. You can get rid of the demo, the draft, click on view post, and there you go. We have your finished post. So I hope this article was helpful for you guys. Feel free to comment down below. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to this video and channel. And I look forward to sharing more videos with you guys. And you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks.